I think I need a pen. That's definitely one thing I need. Today we are on episode number 5. So I am so super excited, as you can tell. So let's just get straight into it. Reka twige Kinyarwanda. Imigani ya mbere. When I find the page. First of all, this is I'm too blabby right now. Way too blabby. Let me start again. Guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are on episode number 5, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Imigani y'Ikinyarwanda. Reka twige Kinyarwanda. Imigani ya mbere. Ukiranutse na bene amasaka yubaka ikigega. Ukiranutse na bene amasaka yubaka ikigega. Hano bari tukubwira hari abantu bahinga n'abandi bantu. Bishobora kuvuga amasaka bahinze bagomba kuzisangira. Niyo mpamvu nabwo bashobora gutangira kubika amasaka bafite. Kubera ko bagomba kuzisangira n'abandi bantu. Ariko umuntu ushobora kubika amasaka ye, hari ikigega ni ikintu kinini gishobora kusa n'agaseke. Agaseke ni gatoya ushobora kufata kugenda. Ikigega ni igiseke kinini ushobora kuvuga ni igiseke kinini. Ushyira ibintu bahinzemo. Ni hariya urabibika. Ushobora gushyiramo ibirayi, ushobora gushyiramo amasaka, ibintu bahinze. Yego. Donc bari tukubwira umuntu ushobora kubika amasaka ye mu kintu yitwa ikigega azakira, kubera ko amasaka ye ashobora gutangira kuzibika. Mu Cyongereza baranditse he who pays his debts is rich. Mu Cyongereza bivuga ko umuntu uriha umwenda ye yakize. Okay. Imigani ya kabiri. Umubumbi arira muri yo. Umubumbi arira muri yo. Umubumbi ni taka, ni mutaka. N'umutaka ni n'amazi. Donc umuntu ukora ibintu yo gutekamo, ibintu arisha, ni gace ibintu acuruza. Amasafuriya acuruza. Ni gace amasafuriya acuruza. Ahubwo bishobora kukubwira umuntu ukora inkweto, akora inkweto neza, inkweto ze ntabwo zisa neza. Iyo logique ni un peu comme ci comme ça. Kubera ko umuntu ukora amazu, bigomba kuba umuntu ukora amazu inzu ye isa neza iruta abandi. Mu Cyongereza wanditse the cobbler's children go barefoot. No comment. No comment, David. I'm being serious. There's no comment to that. Imigani ya gatatu. Umunyabira asiga icyamuzanye. Umunyabira asiga icyamuzanye. Hano bari tukubwira abantu kora ibintu vuba baribagiba ibintu byamuzanye. Bishobora kuba ushaka kugenda guhaha, wanditse listi, mekora ko nabwo witonze wasize list mu rugo. Nonaha uri muri magazi. Meba wasize list. Yego. Ni gutyo. Mu Cyongereza baranditse haste makes waste. Kwihuta bitanga ubusa. Imigani ya kane. Umwiza si umwizeye. Umwiza si umwizeye. Niyo mpamvu bishobora kuvuga kuba mwiza ntabwo bivuga usa neza. Kuba mwiza ni umutima yawe. kubera ko ushobora kuba usa neza uri mwiza hanze mu imbere ufite umutima ya satani. That's the only way I can think of saying it. Like, yeah, having a black heart. Yeah, ugomba kuba ufite umutima mwiza gutyo uri umuntu mwiza, uri mwiza. Kubera ko hari abantu nabwo basa neza bafite umutima mwiza, niyo mpamvu abantu babakunda bivuga ko uyu muntu uri mwiza. Yes, fantastic. Mu Cyongereza baranditse, you can't judge a book by its cover. Bishaka kuvuga wabonye igitabo, wabonye guti igitabo isa gusa imbere nabwo wasomye amapaji, niyo mpamvu nabwo ushobora kuvuga igitabo ni nabi igitabo ni byiza. Nibyo. Tugiye kurangira. Imigani ya 5. Utaribwa na tarinda. Utaribwa na tarinda. Hano bari tukubwira ko hari igihe na susi ufite, na bitekerezo ufite, nabwo uri kurindi ibintu byawe. Ni ufata ibintu byawe urabijugunya hasi, ibintu gutyo nibimeneka barakubwira utaribwa na tarinda, kubera ko nabwo warinze ku bintu byawe, ni gutyo wabimenye. Ugomba kwitonda, ugomba gufata attention, ugomba kurinda ibintu byawe, ni gutyo ni gutyo biragufasha igihe kinini cyane. Mu Cyongereza baranditse, once bitten, twice shy. Rimwe yakurumye, ibiri ufite isoni. Ni gutyo baranditse mu Cyongereza. Thank you so much for today and tuning in today. As you can tell, actually I liked this episode. I actually did like and enjoyed shooting this episode. And as always, if you have any suggestions, contact me on my social media handling. Links are below. If anything, you can contact me directly on my email. And as always, actually watch out for the bloopers, because we all know there's going to be bloopers. Like, there has to be bloopers. There's bound to be bloopers. I mean, what were you watching? You were watching for bloopers, of course. Okay. As you can tell, I'm very excited about this episode. Well, I'm just excited about this anyway. If there's anything that you think I could have done better, or I could do better, please drop your comments below. And as always, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Ciao.